Welcome back to my channel. So I am participating in the Heat Transfer Warehouse Garment Challenge. This challenge is a Thanksgiving theme. We have to decorate an apron, a sublimation apron, using our Sawgrass printer. So I'm going to be showing you how I design it, and then we're going to see how creative I can get with this. And yeah, it's a pretty cool apron. It has 3 pockets in the bottom. So let's jump into trying to design this. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. My channel is all about crafting on a budget. I do sublimation and sewing videos. So if any of those things interest you, please consider subscribing, joining my YouTube family, and let's just jump into trying to design this. So I will be using Sawgrass new design software called DesignMate. Clicked on font and I typed out the words that I wanted to use and picked the font and sized it. DesignMate also has a bunch of files that you can use, PNGs and other graphics that you can use. I decided to take the word thankful and make each letter a different pattern. So I went into Creative Fabric Cut and I picked a bunch of fall seamless patterns and then placed them into my Word as a clipping mask. And I'm doing this in Affinity Designer. I saved it as a PNG, and then in DesignMate you can actually import some files. So I imported it and then I just changed the color of my other words and just sized everything and arranged it how I wanted it. And then I pressed on update canvas, and then I use PrintMate to print my design, which is like the new print manager for Sawgrass. For the pockets, I wanted to do 3 individual fall images. So I could have done this in DesignMate, but I didn't think about it at the time. I just dragged them into Affinity Designer. These are also from Creative Fabric. I'll have all these images linked down below for you. And I just arranged them. I sized them to the size that I wanted, and then I arranged them all to fit on the same paper so I wasn't wasting sublimation paper. We're going to start off by prepping our apron. We're going to lint roll it, and that's very important because with sublimation, the lint will turn blue when you apply heat. So we just want to make sure that we are lint rolling it, especially because this apron is white. And you're going to be able to see that lint very well. So just lint roll. I'm going to lint roll my whole apron. I'm going to take this to my heat press and I'm going to pre-press this and come back. I pre-pressed it. And now I'm going to take my design and place it where I want it. Now I'm going to place my design where I want it. I kind of folded it, indented it a little bit, the paper, to kind of line it up. Once I have it where I want it, I'm just going to tape it down. And once I'm just going to see like how I like everything, and once if I feel like I want to add more things, then I will. But for right now, I'm just going to see how this design looks, and then we'll take it from there. Okay, so now I'm going to move up my apron, and I'm going to go down to the pockets. And so I'm going to place these down here where I want them. So this one's the big one, so I'm going to place this one here, and I'm going to tape it down. This was very hard for me to get creative with this because, I don't know, I'm not a big fall Thanksgiving decoration type person. Maybe if this was Christmas. Okay, then I'm going to place one design on this side, on this pocket, tape that down, okay, and then I'm gonna put my last design on the other pocket, and I'm going to tape that down. So now we're gonna move to our heat press, and we're gonna press this and see how it turned out and see what else. Once we sub it, we're gonna see if we should add anything else to it. Okay, we're gonna start off by pressing the top part. I'm gonna take some butcher paper. I'm gonna put this on top. And then we're gonna I'm gonna do 385 degrees for 60 seconds because my heat press runs hot. If yours doesn't, do 400. Okay, I'm gonna lift that up and throw away my butcher paper. See how that turned out. Ooh, that's cute. That's how my ink release was. That's pretty cute. Okay, so now I'm gonna flip it to my pockets. I think I can do all 3 pockets at once. Pretty sure I can. I'm gonna make sure I tape these down pretty well. Get some more butcher paper, and I'm gonna press these for 385 for 60 seconds again. Okay, let's see. Hopefully these turned out good. Hopefully we're gonna start lifting them one by one. Oh, that's so cute. So cute. So I think the words turned out pretty cute. I was a little skeptical with adding all these different patterns on here, but I think it's pretty cute. I still feel like I could have gotten a little more creative with it, pero it's cute. I'm interested to see how everyone else did, how creative they got. But I'll have this apron link down below for you guys. I think it's cute. So let me know down below if you guys liked how it turned out, what you guys would have done differently. Because sometimes I can get a little stuck creatively when it comes to themes like this. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel. I'll have the apron link down below in the description, and everything that I always use for my videos is always linked down below in the description. In case you're wondering, it's also on my Amazon storefront, which is also linked in the description. I'll see you guys in my next video.